Hello everyone, welcome to ELP. Today I want to show you basic tools in Photoshop for beginners, right? So after launching your Photoshop, it would open this kind of a page for you, but you won't have anything. You won't have a work there. I'm saying this because I'm assuming that the person watching this video is a beginner, right? So you won't have your work here like this. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to create new. So click on create new. Once you click on create new, it will pop up a panel for you. It will pop up this panel for you, and then you can just put the title of the work you want to do there. Let's say basic tools for beginners. Basic tools for beginners, right? So we can just go ahead and so you will come down to this place. So it depends on what you want to do really. So for this place, let's say you want to create a square Photoshop. Let's say you want to create a square Photoshop design or square Photoshop artwork. What you need to do is put here, you put 1 200. I use 1 200 by 1 200 as the dimension of my work, right? But Instagram dimension is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Can you see? Mine is on pixels right now. These are like the dimensions that you have, right? So there's inches, there's centimeters, there's millimeter, depending on what the client wants you to do and the work you want to do. And there's difference between these guys too, but I won't like us to go there right now. Okay, let's just do pixels, right? So the reason I use 1 200 by 1 200 is that maybe by the time you upload it on Instagram or something like that, it will give it more quality because normally it is supposed to be 1080 by 1080, but by the time Instagram shrinks down 1 200 by 1 200 to 1080 by 1080, then it's going to have more quality. That is why I use this dimension. Okay, right? So now we have our title here, we have our color here, RGB. You can leave the color mode at RGB. That RGB is for digital, like that is if you want it to be on digital and all of that. So just go ahead and click on OK because this setting is fine. So just click OK, then it will open this canvas up for you. This white space that you can see right here is called canvas, right? So what you need to do right now as a beginner is for you to do what? Know how to use the tools that are here. Don't let them discourage you. They look unfamiliar, I believe, I assume. Okay, so the first one we have here, just like the name, is move to, right? So that is a move to. This is a move to right here. So but before we go ahead, I would like to open one of the documents that I have already worked on. So okay, so I would like us to use this one as a template for this class or for this video, right? So what does move tool does? What does move tool do, right? So what move tool does is that it helps you to move your icon, element, picture, text, or logo on your canvas. So it is what allows you to move your element around, to move your work around, to move all you need to do around. And if you pay attention to what I just did right now, I just used Control Z or Command Z or Z to bring my file back, right? So that's what I do. To undo any action, you need to click on Control Z or Control Z, right? So if you to bring your file back, okay? The next thing we are going to be looking at concerning move tool is that Move Tool can as well help you to increase the size of your image, element, or text. Can you see what I just did? I came to this angle and then I dragged it. So the more you drag it, the more it will increase the size of whatever you have on your canvas. Okay, so just click on this side. So it depends on the Photoshop you are using anyway. So as you can see right now, I am increasing mine and then it is giving me the right size. Okay, but yours may not be like that. By the time you increase your own on your Photoshop, depending on the Photoshop you have, if you increase it and it is not giving you the perfect texture or the perfect text that you are increasing and it is disfiguring your text or your elements, that means that you need to hold on to your shift. But on my own, I don't need to hold on to shift because it is an updated version of Photoshop that I'm using. Okay, so let me click on shift and you see what it will do to my, oh, it even works, right? But on some Photoshop it won't work like that. Okay, so now what we are going to be looking at next is, so basically those are the two major things that Move Tool does. Okay, in Photoshop. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to stop it right here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to it right now. So this is where we are going to stop for this video. I don't want it to be too long. I'll put the link of another video that I will make on tools in the description of this video. Let me know what you feel about this video. Thank you and bye for now.